Well, here's our latest update on the winter storm. Start by taking a look at the advisory map here. As you can see, no change across the west. All these are still into effect until Wednesday night. Did add a few this afternoon, though. Basically, the Cody foothills, also northern Bighorn Basin, Lovell, Grable down toward the Basin area. Could see some moderate amounts of snow. There's still some uncertainty as to the exact accumulation. We'll iron that out as we head through the day today and look at our webpage for more updates, probably later this afternoon for details on that. And the high wind watches and warnings. Cody foothills was canceled, but across Lander foothills up to the Rattlesnake Range and then the Trona County, possibility for high winds all the way through Tuesday night. Strongest time for wind, I think, probably Tuesday afternoon through this evening as well. So wind gusts mainly there, as you can see looking at this map. Again, mainly 40 to 60 mile per hour gusts. Could be some stronger gusts at times around South Pass, also across Outer Drive, the favored areas. Everybody knows where they are pretty much, especially around Outer Drive. It really likes to blow there, so keep your hands on the steering wheel there and be careful. As far as additional snowfall, again, 1 to 2 more feet possible across portions of the Tetons, even Jackson Valley, 12 to 16 inches there, up to a foot across the Star Valley as well. And across this area, a little more uncertainty up in this area, generally 3 to 6 inches. Higher amounts as you go toward Cody. Looks like the winds may upslope over in this area. But like I said, uncertainty there. Check in later with details on that. And even as we go through the late Tuesday into Wednesday, could be a little bit of snow going into Casper. And the worst of this may be around the Wednesday morning rush hour. So you may want to keep an eye on this if you're heading out early there. As far as the timing of the snow, across the west, mainly light to moderate snow during the day today. Could be a couple of heavier bursts, but nothing like we saw, say, last night in the evening when it really came down. And the heaviest snow will move back in tonight and the midday Wednesday. The heaviest time probably, say, this evening through shortly after midnight. Talking snowfall rates 1 to 2 inches an hour. Very difficult travel conditions if you're in that area. And east of the divide, northern Bighorn Basin, maybe some light snow later this afternoon, but the bulk of it will be tonight and the Wednesday morning. As far as the impacts, snow again, 2 to 4 feet across the western mountains, 1 to 2 in the valleys. Heavy snow in the west will fall tonight and Wednesday morning. It starts tonight across the Bighorn Basin. In many areas, seeing light snow maybe late Tuesday night into Wednesday as a cold front drops across the area. As far as winds, high winds once again likely to Trona County, southeast Fremont County, into the Lander foothills as well. Gusts to 60. Highest winds will be this afternoon into this evening. Outdoor activity, as far as the avalanches, the avalanche warning was dropped. The highest danger is gone, but it's still considerable across the area. So go to this webpage for the Jackson Teton Avalanche Center for more specific details. They have a great resource there. As far as travel, again, mainly across the west, roads will be snowpacked and hazardous. Again, many of the passes, Teton Pass, South Pass, Snake River, Hoback Canyon, and also 191 could be closed for a time with the avalanche control, so make sure you check road conditions before you head out. And some resources, again, for forecasters, our homepage, weather.gov/RIW. And for road conditions and closures, again, for road conditions, these are the people to go to. You want forecasts, go to us. You want road conditions, go here. WYORoad.info. If you're in state, you want to use your phone, 511. If you're out of state, 188 YO Road. And one more thing I want to bring up here again, our webcam page. As you can see, a great resource there. You have a webcam on the road, just about anywhere in the state, just go to this. It could look like this, go 10 miles away, it could be slammed shut like this. Again, if you don't want to memorize this big long address right there, just go to our homepage, weather.gov/RIW, and go into local programs. Be safe, everyone. May have another briefing for you tomorrow.